Hi there, my name is Emily Hodges and I'm going to talk about this fancy app called ChatterPix. ChatterPix is a free app that can be used to make anything talk. You can share anything through email, Facebook, and YouTube. However, if you would like to restrict those portals, you can download the ChatterPix Kids app, which is aimed for children 13 years old or younger. ChatterPix is fairly easy to use and quite fun in my opinion. All you have to do is select a photo or take one, and then you draw a line wherever you want the object's mouth to be. After that, all you have to do is record your voice and the mouth moves when you speak. ChatterPix can be a great tool to use when you want students to either give a summary or have them talk about a character in a book. What can also be done with their creations is if the teacher has a class website, they can post them there and other students can use the summaries to see if they want to read those books. Some challenges that students may encounter are if they don't give adequate information, they aren't going to help their classmates, or if they misuse the app. Another issue could be that you only have 30 seconds to record something. However, students can always make multiple recordings and then combine them all for a bigger project. According to our text, Literacy in grades 4 through 8, students are motivated and engaged with technology. New literacies help promote critical thinking by way of technology, and the majority of our schools have technological tools to help with the students. I think having an app like this be available to students would help with that motivation. I think with this app, we as teachers can use their creations to see if they're able to comprehend what they read and see if they're able to summarize. Here is something that I made to show how quick and easy it is to make a little ChatterPix.
Hi, my name is Riley. I like to climb the trees in our backyard. Sometimes Mommy thinks it's funny, other times Mommy thinks it's very bad.
I also created a mock student project over Stuart Little using the main character Stuart. This could be, like I said, a way that we can see if they're able to summarize, see if they hit the main points of what they read, and see where we as teachers could possibly need to improve.
Hi, I'm Stuart Little and I like to go on adventures. I live in New York City with my mom and dad. I also have an older brother named George. I am the only mouse in the family, and that includes the family cat named Snowbell. He doesn't like me very much, and neither do his friends. But I do have a good friend named Margalo. She is a very pretty bird.
I think a project that can be used with ChatterPix is a student gets assigned a character, they talk a little bit about the character, and they put it together and make sort of a movie trailer for the book. And then as a class, they can summarize what the book was about, and then they can share that maybe on like their class website and see what other people think about it.